Every side is like, I'm saving money.
Surprisingly enough, if you don't get the fries or the sodas, the burger's actually relatively okay in terms of nutrients and health.
Waff,
What?
I know what you're doing here. I know what you're doing. I just seen something about this the other day. I know exactly what this is.
What am I? You have no idea what I'm doing. My weapon is, I think it's a leaf with a knife. I don't know. I actually don't know what his weapon is. This is Naughty Bear from Naughty Bear.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
You're playing Trapper.
Yes.
Okay,
I love it! Literally, the instant you join, you literally came in here with your hand on your hip, sipping that.
Caprice just spread eagle ass flapping bottom.
Excuse me?
No,
Is he body blocking you?
good something.
Ben, it's over there.
It's over there.
It's over there.
It's not an object.
You broke trying to do the community goal that came from our channel.
Why was I not there for that? I was busy for the past few weeks as well.
Well, now the next one is for ZZ to wax.
Oh, what's he waxing?
Well, right now
Hey, bolting.
the first goal is for his legs, but if it goes up, if we end up raising a total of 750, he's gonna do something that I haven't even done. His pube.
Yeah.
You still he listen to us? Need to talk. Ben, do you hate us all of a sudden? Is that why? I see.
No.
Who doesn't hate you?
He probably hates Caboose and his quivering ass lips.
Well then.
That's a statement.
You're not quivering.
I'm sorry. Flapping.
Anna.
Hmm?
Who are these people?
We have a mission. No, we have a mission. Stop that man! Stop that man! Trap him, trap him, trap him, trap him.
Yeah, I didn't get to set it up.
Trap him, trap him, trap him.
I was looking for something. Oh, yeah, Stream Raiders. Homework? Oh. Oh my god, TTV, I need to tunnel them out.
Oh, since I know what's coming.
First.
Yes.
I was so confused. I'm like, what?
You're not getting away from me, Caboose.
Damn it, something.
No. Are you just gonna put flashbangs all around Caboose?
No? Revealed.
Yeah.
God, that game is dead and overrated. So, what game did you play for like 3 years straight, Caboose?
Great.
And that was the only thing you played? Hey, there was Dragonblood.
Alright, that's gonna be it for me.
Alrighty, yeah, you get some sleep.
I know, I have to be up. I gotta go to work.
I'm not gonna
Hey there, Eric Strong. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. I'm doing alright, how about yourself? Oh, he's coming back, I think.
So what did Ribbon do to himself again? What's wrong with him?
Teeth. Wisdom teeth.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't super.
I was like, I just said, like, gums were destroyed. What
Gums
else did
destroyed,
that mean?
but gums destroyed could be like he had like a very intense blowjob.
Yeah, I was about to say that could just be, you know, someone.
But you wouldn't know anything about that, Caboose.
He gets his
because
own
I got
gums
the
destroyed.
same problem.
Waffle, his gums get destroyed at a pointer in Caboose's direction.
I'm feeling oddly targeted.
You're
what
not
are you
oddly
talking
targeted. You're directly targeted.
Oddly.
Yeah.
Sure.
You're evenly targeted.
I have a thing real quick. Give me a second. I got something.
Are you cooking?
Alright, I am cooking.
Okay, I need to save up more receipt points. I spent all of my points on Sticky Plush Arca. I only have 23k left, Waffle.
Oh my god.
I'm so down the hole that I have the McDonald's app on my phone.
Hey, no, that thing is really good to have. If you need to save money, you get the McDonald's app.
But that's
Yeah.
malware. It's malware. It's spyware, basically.
Everything is spyware.
Everything
Your
is
phone
spyware.
is spyware.
Yeah, I was gonna say your phone. If you have a smartphone, it's spyware.
Yep.
It's like the what is it? The money side of me is just like, why? How dare you spend money at McDonald's? What are you doing? But then the hunt.
Oh.
Okay, that's actually bullshit from his end. I was over the pallet.
Do we open the
shit.
door? Or
Yeah,
we
start opening
wait?
it.
I know the drill.
Ooh, I'm down to 50 gigs left to transfer.
How long was his waxing?
Yes.
2 weeks.
Not like the total time spent on actually the waxing process.
Oh, the actual
Yeah.
actual total time.
Yeah.
Honestly,
That's why he should be in a chat. So he doesn't even need to use his
But it's
What?
it's the temptation of actually being in VC will make him want to talk.
Then I'll mute him.
No, but he'll still want to talk if he hears.
I completely forgot about the word of mouth on me, so also like the word opening of your body.
What?
It's like you don't need to move. I will just say it.
Listen.
Where have you ended up this time?
Let's see. Stream Raiders. In a row.
He's gonna come in here like, what?
Nah, he's not gonna come in here. He's too chicken.
Anatril and Mike Volapun, you get extra shit.
Well, it wasn't our choice. Well, it wasn't our choice to make that decision. You made the decision on your own. You could have just said "fuck y'all" and just made that decision on your own. Alright, Ben. Fuck. I don't think Ben should kill me. I literally have.
Oh, I thought he was coming back.
I have like all the aura perks, so I can see everybody.
So,
I might take a nap later. As in after like 1 or 2 games.
Since a video I promised I'd make tonight. Oh, I see.
Instead of streaming.
You see, this is the thing. You were like, I don't want my account to be banned for 3 days. You're not even streaming for 3 days. Oh, what?
If I get you off hook, are you actually gonna leave me alone?
Well, I'm
Well, I
not gonna
got her.
Well, I'm not gonna leave you alone now.
Didn't get this set
I'm
up.
out!
God damn it.
Nope, I knew all about this. I was planning on doing it
Don't
tomorrow.
stop until they're dead, naughty bear.
I couldn't do it because someone triggered it early. Because I have to open it before he does.
It was.
Oh, hey, the killer is Dirtwolf. Oh, wow.
Anyways.
Nice
Wait, it's
try,
you?
Wolf.
I was like, I knew. I was like, how do they do that?
Daily basis, okay? Like that's not wasting pace he has on his teeth.
It's more nerve pain. Oh, I see.
Ah, okay.
But yeah, the whole point of it was to do that. But once someone figures it out, they can just ruin it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Caboose. Way to ruin the surprise for Ben Ben.
Mm-hmm. The waffle.
Oh wait, dang it! I couldn't do it because you guys finished it.
Wait, what do you mean you couldn't do it because we finished it?
Because someone already. Wait, how did you open it?
No one opened the gate.
No one.
No one. Someone touched the door. Who? How'd you?
Caboose. It was
What?
Caboose.
Oh. Oh no! Leaves.
No, I thought I was just looking. I didn't know how far you had to go in. I thought I had to
Oh,
go in.
You didn't
deeper.
hook me.
Oh, he's letting you go.
Your headphones glow in the dark. Jesus. Bitch, you.
I hate it because we were like staring at him. It's like I'm like 2 feet behind you, and you're not getting.
And then what? Do we escape or?
Yeah, you can escape if you can. Stand in the door. I don't know which door you went to, but I'm probably heading there.
Oh.
Oh no! Oh, I am stuck. Oh, there's the door. Oh my god, it's like on the absolute other side of the map.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no!
Oh.
No!
Oh no!
God, probably somewhere in the middle of 24 to 48 hours.
Also, you said 2 weeks. I was like, what? How
Hey,
hairy are
Arizine.
you down there to be waxed for 22 weeks?
I am quite furry.
Yeah, but 2 weeks.
Well, that's because we started it and then we broke the microwave doing it. And then we had to get a new microwave, and then we had to get a wax warmer.
How did you
And
break the
so we didn't break-
microwave?
Bitch
Listen.
juice.
Twitch milk.
My chicken nuggies just got done, okay?
But the way you asked, you're playing Trapper. Mm.
Okay, I have a question for you, Caboose. Where to check it? I have a question for you, Caboose.
Yes.
Are they frozen or made from scratch?
Of course they're
They
frozen.
are McDonald's.
Oh,
Duh.
Oh,
never mind.
Re-warmed up
Come on.
in the goddamn...
Something? Air fryer.
I should probably be best dressed for it. Yeah, it's not St. Patrick's Day anymore. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck it. Fuck it. We're gonna go Barbie today, since we watched Barbie.
I got better dress for the occasion too, because I know it's coming too.
Oh,
I'm dead.
did you open the door?
Escape, escape, escape.
Is he still on you?
Feel it, totem.
He's coming.
Let's see over here. Do this here. It's like they do this, and then I was just trying to set it up. Oh.
40 minutes.
You're a good bear, naughty bear.
Oh, is that is that his first time doing that? Yeah, it's like 3 minutes, Ben.
Why is Benben not in chat?
Because he just had his gums destroyed.
Oh, I thought Ben wanted to still play together. It's okay.
No, he wanted to just kill.
He wants to take out his frustration.
It was like I was trying to get more hits on fucking Ben, but the obsession had, what did he have? Calm spirit, distortion. It's just like, are you fucking shitting me? So I couldn't get any hits on him.
Ooh.
My god.
And Izumu is apparently quite
Izumu.
is apparently quite happy with that prospect.
Well, CZ's basically a bottom anyway.
Loft has given him the title Better Bottom.
Superior bottom. That's my title for him.
Well, compared to Caboose, but that's not really
Yeah.
saying much.
Oh my god, goodness.
What did he say? I didn't know it's over 100 gigs to transfer off this card. Oh, okay. It is Jonah's perk, or the scavenging, hyper focus.
Like a.
Ew.
Yeah, you.
You wish. I guess Azza doesn't want to see the video very bad.
Don't worry, I'll obtain it through other means.
No one
Cough,
really
cough,
wants-
CZ.
No one wants to.
Ben, it's Azza.
Oh,
That's all you need to realize. It's just Azza.
I'm not a gaslighter. I have no idea what you're talking about. It's not like I use this skill on my students to
Okay, what are
gaslight
you
them to
doing?
give me homework.
There you go.
I mean, Bin died?
Yeah, because I killed him. It's like,
Okay.
well, I had to start killing like that because of the whole thing.
I knew what you were up to.
Ben, can you?
I know the latest metas.
So can you please kill Caboose first?
Yeah, go ahead and tunnel him. I won't stop you. I'll even bring like the amber thing so I can find you and locate him at the same time, so we help each other out.
Oh,
Yeah, Waffle's gonna bring a flash time. But yeah, no, like I think in terms of like whether it's healthy or not, the McDouble is surprisingly very good in terms of like protein and stuff like that. It doesn't have that much fat comparatively. It's the fries and the sodas combined that actually make it bad.
Azza, they just discovered another venomous spider that the world had never seen before.
In
What?
Australia? Oh,
Yes.
I'm not surprised.
Yes, I do.
Something and
You're
I
right.
are already privy to this. So,
We've been privy to this. I'm the one that caused this.
Goalkeeper Trapper.
whatever do you mean?
Whatever do you mean, Caboose? Who said it was that?
Jesus Christ, Waffle.
God, Caboose, you're dumb. Why did you think it's that?
Oh, fucking hell.
Did you blow up the Jenny?
No, I did something I did not want to do.
Exist?
Ben, he's behind the
That
building.
too. Yeah, I'm not even joking.
Something, he doesn't need any help.
He's vaulting the window. Oh, he's outside.
He can't hear you.
I know.
First delayed.
I think you don't need to move your mouth, but I forgot what the word mouth was. I was like, your word opening. It's holidays, okay? I can turn off my brain.
Wait, what holidays?
It's my autumn holidays right now.
It's what?
Autumn? Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, right, the seasons are...
Maybe inflation, I guess, for different
Yeah,
states.
It also depends on where you live.
Ah, true. Wait, isn't it
Exactly.
like a centralized price?
No, you go to New York and everything's gonna be hella
Significantly more expensive for
Yeah.
no reason.
Just ask Justin.
He's walking here.
He is walking there.
Is anyone going for Anna?
I'll go for Anna.
He really did that.
But yeah, it's like usually it is. I've gone.
Is it cute at least?
Oh, I got so lucky with that.
No.
Do you want to get it for bacon?
Yes.
Oh, look!
I'll put it
Remember
into,
me in No Way Out. I
I'll put-
wonder why.
I'll put it into the jail cell with him.
Oh no, wait, where's it?
That's a minefield right there.
Fucking, my PNG.
Q has a broken ID. That's why.
Oh no, I have his. His is here.
begrudgingly.
Wolf, do the thing that you did to us last time. I need to find the actual build for that one. Hopefully my perk stayed. Hold on, sensor
I don't
incoming.
think Huh?
I can't play long though. I have homework to do.
Imagine not jumping into VC as well. God, look at you. Imagine. You said Charlie's supposed to come in later, right?
Charlie was supposed to join, but he's like, I hate waffles.
Kuba's touched the door. Kuba's touched the door.
Okay.
You know what? I will snitch. He's outside. No, I'm kidding.
I'm not.
There. Run, Wolf! No, no. Run! Do nothing. Wow. Caboose.
What were you heating up your freaking Nutella jars?
We were the wax that we got and the wax warmer that we had was for the microwave, and the instructions clearly state on there the only way to warm it up is in the microwave. And we burned out
Hey, Pyro.
was
Drailer.
$420 microwave.
That's a problem. $420.
Thankfully, when it broke, it happened to be on sale for over half price. So I had to do a fundraiser to help raise the money to replace the microwave that we
This stakeout and not deja vu. Was it deja vu or is it? I have pocket camped on Goosenet. What's pocket camp?
Pocket camp on BlueStacks. What is that?